How to live stream on TikTok from PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stream your games, screen, or webcam using TikTok Live Studio. First, open TikTok Live Studio and sign in to the correct TikTok account. Now, let's set up your live stream. Click the plus icon next to Sources. You'll see several options for capturing content from your computer. To stream your screen, select Display Capture. If you only want to stream a specific application, choose Window Capture. Select the window or application you want to capture and click Add Source. If you're streaming a game, make sure the game is already running so it appears in the available windows. You can also enable Capture Cursor if you want your mouse pointer to appear on the stream. Next, choose your stream layout. For TikTok, you can use Portrait Mode for a vertical live stream. If your screen capture doesn't fill the frame, resize and reposition it to fit the layout. You can also add your webcam. Click plus Add Source, select Camera, choose your webcam, and click Add Source. Resize and reposition your webcam wherever you want it on the screen. TikTok Live Studio may also let you add features such as follower goals, alerts, and notifications to customize your live stream. Once everything is ready, click Go Live. If your TikTok account is eligible for live streaming, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup and start your live stream. Keep in mind that TikTok Live features and eligibility requirements can vary by account and region. And that's it. You've successfully set up a TikTok live stream from your PC using TikTok Live Studio. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more TikTok and PC tutorials.